Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit. Now in this list we have to find the language which we'd like to apply, so let me choose maybe Greek and tap on this plus icon next to it. Confirm it by tapping on Yes, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Now we've got more than one language is added here, and in that case we can quickly change the language just by reordering the languages. So just tap on the language you'd like to apply and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on Apply or Confirm or whatever it is here. And as you can see, we've got another language set. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.